Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Che Peter. If you are new here, please do subscribe so you don't miss out in any content. And if you are already a subscriber, thank you so much. I really do appreciate the support. It means a lot to me. So on today's video, I'm going to show you how to do the polygel nails. So I bought this kit from Takealot. I think it's about 300 rand. Yeah, it is 300 rand. So yeah, you can do your nails on a budget at home. See my nails, how dull they look. So hopefully after this video, you at home, you'll also be able to do your nails as well. So yeah, let's get to it. I'm gonna unbox this box. I haven't really opened to see what's inside, but it should have everything that you need. Yeah, so let's get to it. I've already cut open the box for this. Yeah, so really open. Okay, now it's open. So here is how it looks inside. And here is the package. Ooh, there's even a little bag kit. This is how it looks. This is how it looks. So it comes with this mini UV lamp. And it also has this tip application in clear color. Alright, it also has nail forms. I like these are cute. Has nail forms if you are a nail form person. If you're not, well, I think for today, for the sake of the video, I'm going to use the nail tip because I feel like they are much easier than using the nail foam. Maybe on the next one, if you want to see how it works on the nail foam, you can comment below, and then I'll do another video showing you how you can actually use your poly on nail foam. And it comes with this nail file and the solution, the zip for the solution. What is this? Looks like a pen. Oh, so it's to hold your nail while you're drying it, to hold it together. And then the brush that you're going to use. It also has this applicator thing. This is how you're gonna spool your gel. And then let's see, base coat, top coat, and not one, not two, but 6 colors. Look at this. So I have nude pink, I have glitter in this goldish, not goldish, but diamond colorish. I have a clear one. I think this one is if you have maybe a gel color that you want to put. I have rose pink. And then I also have this glitter as well in this. This is how it looks. And there's another glitter color. This is also how it looks. I wonder which one I'm gonna use for today's video. Maybe the nude pink. Nude pink? Yeah, I think I'll use nude pink for today. So yeah, let's do our nails. So the only thing that they didn't include is the hydrator or a primer. So I have my old primer, even though just a little bit left, so I'm gonna be using that. So yeah, I'm now gonna turn the camera to focus on the nails. So let's do it. So let's open up this. Comes with the charger or the extension. Connect it. And there is the UV lamp itself. This is how it looks. White, cute. So here it is. It's open now. And then so it also have instruction on how to use this. So first thing you do, you connect the USB button, you connect the USB cable, and then you press the power button, which is this, for default timing, which is 60 seconds. And then when you press the button, the power button, 2 seconds timing is 120 seconds. I don't know what that means. Okay, there it is. Ooh, it's on. It's on.